I have a question for you. 4 by 9 divided by 9 by 4. Mostly the people cancel 4 and 9 and 9. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 divided by 1. Their answer will be equal to 1. But this method is wrong and answer is wrong. So again we solve it. 4 by 9 divided by 9 by 4. Here is division. If multiplication would be there, then we can cancel each other, but here is division. So we have to apply KCF rule. KCF mean keep it. 4 by 9 is kept itself. C mean change the division. It will be converted into multiplication. And F mean flip. We have to take its reciprocal, so it will become 4 by 9. Now, there is a simple multiplication. 4 times 4 will be equal to 16 and 9 times 9 will be equal to 81, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.